Morning ladies and gentlemen, this is our second Year 10 English language lesson looking at capital punishment and the death penalty. Yesterday's lesson was rather short, this one is rather longer. Okay, so your first task, you are going to see a variety of slides relating to capital punishment. As you move through each slide and on to the next, you need to comment on the impact of these pictures and the statements, if they have them, in your books. Alright, I am just going to run through them briefly. You can stop and you can go through these at a slower rate. They are also on Show My Homework. Okay, so those slides were to make you think both about the images and the sayings and how it affects you, and whether you think that some of those slogans and sayings were correct. Now we move on to your second task, and this is a task that's going to take you a little while to do. Alright, so I need to know what you already know about the death penalty, and for your second task, you are going to do some research. It's over to you to do some independent research. You need to research the death penalty. Do not use Wikipedia. Make notes on your research. You want to find facts, you want to find statistics, information. You're going to need all of this in your lessons later. A couple of sites that you might want to go to. You can obviously find your own. Okay, as I said, yesterday's lesson was quite brief. Today's lesson is quite a lot longer. So the third task in your books is you are going to create a mind map that will help you form your opinion and substantiate your ideas. So I've started to model it for you on the board. You need to have 3 words or thoughts that think about the methods that are used currently to extinguish life, crimes that are punished by the death penalty, and how governments justify the death penalty, and then whether you think that the death penalty is right or wrong. 3 words or thoughts that sum up your response to whether it's right or wrong. Okay, moving on. Okay, so that's a brief overview of today's lesson. Obviously, the PowerPoints are on Show My Homework, and I'm expecting you to work at a slower rate than this video. You need to pause the video if you need, but you should be looking at an hour on this lesson. Your research should be taking you a good half an hour. So 2 lessons in total should have taken you 2 hours. Thank you.